Every single hour, inside a massive factory, 20,000 cigarettes roll off the production line, perfectly shaped. This is the story of America's most expensive and iconic cigarette brand, made by Philip Morris International. Virginia, USA, the brightest cigarettes are grown here, hand-selected for quality. It all starts thousands of miles away, in the tobacco fields. From the farm, massive bales of cured tobacco arrive at the processing plant, some weighing over 1,000 pounds. Workers inspect every bale. Only grade A leaves make it into Marlboro Gold. Now comes the most secretive step, the Marlboro blend. Virginia, Burley, and tobaccos are combined and known only to Philip Morris. Now we enter the heart of the operation, the cigarette rod-making room. This is where speed and precision define everything. Each cigarette is now exactly 84 millimeters long, the Marlboro king-size standard. Filters are made separately from cellulose acetate, a biodegradable plastic-like fiber. Quality assurance teams pull random samples from every batch, testing burn rate, draw resistance, and tobacco weight. The finished pallets are moved to a climate-controlled warehouse, maintained at 65% humidity to preserve product quality.
Load them up tight, boys! This one's for the East Coast.
Philip Morris operates one of the most sophisticated logistics networks in the world, delivering to over 180 countries. In America, Marlboro is the #1 selling cigarette brand, with over 40% market share. Marlboro Gold, eye level as always. That completes the row. In the USA, a single pack of Marlboro Gold retails for $10, $15 depending on the state, the most expensive mainstream cigarette on the market. A carton of 10 packs sells for up to $130, making Marlboro Gold a premium luxury product in the tobacco world. Much of the price, nearly 60%, is federal and state tax. Despite the price, Marlboro Gold outsells every other cigarette brand in America, year after year. Philip Morris plants produce over 700 billion cigarettes globally every year. The entire process, from tobacco leaf to sealed pack, takes less than 48 hours. Modern cigarette factories are some of the most automated facilities in the world, operating 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Over 400 sensors feeding real-time data.
Monitoring every machine, central control is optimized. AI systems predict machine failures before they happen, reducing downtime to less than 2%. Marlboro Gold uses a light blend, achieved through paper porosity, not less tobacco. The cigarette paper itself is a marvel of engineering, with micro-perforations that control the airflow and tar delivery. The filter contains activated charcoal in premium variants, absorbing certain compounds before inhalation. Every cigarette must weigh within 0.003 grams of spec, enforced by inline mass measurement systems. Over 600 chemical compounds are monitored in the smoke, tracked against FDA regulatory requirements. Philip Morris employs over 71,000 people worldwide, many of them engineers, chemists, and data scientists. From a single tobacco seed to 20,000 cigarettes per hour, this is one of history's most perfected manufacturing processes. Marlboro Gold is the most valuable cigarette brand in the world, worth over $35 billion. The factory never sleeps. Right now, somewhere in a Philip Morris plant, another 20,000 cigarettes just rolled off the line. Marlboro Gold is the most valuable cigarette brand in the world, worth over $35 billion. What started as hand-rolled tobacco has become one of the most complex industrial manufacturing processes on Earth. Tobacco farming still employs over 500,000 people in the United States alone. The entire supply chain, farm to store, spans 3 continents and involves over 1 million workers globally. This is how 20,000 cigarettes are made every single hour, a process of precision, technology, and scale that never stops.